gonna watch my TV.
Hey, Big Bird?
Oh, hi, Maria. I'm watching my TV.
Good. Hey, listen. Do you have that magazine that Susan lent you? Remember this, the one she sent?
Oh, yeah.
Can I borrow it?
This had a nice article about meadowlarks.
Oh, yeah?
They're cousins of mine.
I have to read an article for school. I'll bring it right back, okay?
Okay.
And here on our Animals of Distinction program, we would like to welcome a very unusual animal. We would like you to meet Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, hello, everyone out there in Tee-hee land.
Hi, Mr. Snuffleupagus. Oh, Maria. Hey, Maria. Hey, Maria. Maria.
What is it?
You gotta come and see my TV. Come here.
What's wrong?
Oh, quick. Look.
I'm looking.
You are all familiar, of course, with animals who are even-toed ungulates. Now, let us consider these.
Oh, I guess they're all through showing him. It was my friend, Mr. Snuffleupagus. He was on this animal show.
Big Bird, you made me rush in here to see Mr. Snuffleupagus on the TV.
Yeah, well, he was there.
Oh, Big Bird, I can't believe that.
Oh.
Now, before we close, let us hear once more from that rarest of animals, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, I would like to say hi to all my friends, especially Big Bird, if he's watching.
Hi. Oh, Maria, he just spoke to me. He spoke to me. Hey, Maria, come here quick.
Big Bird?
He just spoke to me.
What's the matter with you?
He's on.
I don't see him.
So we close our program for today. Be with us again next week when we have our special report, our second look at wombats.
I think we better turn this off, okay? Maybe you've been watching too much TV lately.
But, gosh, you look kind of thinner on TV, don't you think?